already, and yet. Let's make it clear for you. Basically, you're going to be using already to let someone know that something has happened before they even ask about it. She already called my name. I already went to the shop. Especially when we want someone to know that it has been taken care of. I already contacted my supervisor. She already learned how to take the subway. You can also use already when you need to let someone know that something happened sooner than they expected. You bought the water already, but we don't need it until tomorrow. You finished the report already, but the meeting isn't until Friday. Now let's work with yet. We are going to be using yet when we want to ask whether something has happened up to this moment. Have you seen the doctor yet? Have you paid for Netflix yet? We can also use yet in a negative question, when we expect something to have happened by now. Haven't you started walking home yet? Hasn't she broken up with her boyfriend yet? We can also use yet in negative sentences, when something hasn't happened up to now, but it could still happen later. I haven't even started getting dressed yet. I haven't pulled the car out of the garage yet. And this is how you can use both to find out the same thing. Have you already left the office? Have you left the office yet? Both are used to find out whether you are still at the office. Already can suggest that I think you may have left, perhaps sooner than expected. Yet simply checks whether the expected action has happened up to now. Sometimes the difference is subtle. Your choice depends on the situations, your expectations, and even your tone of voice.